One wrong tap on the send button in Gmail could send a work file, a photo of your ID, or personal information to someone who was never supposed to see it. You could even send a poorly written email that was never supposed to go out that way and could cause serious problems. And the worst part? By default, Gmail gives you only 5 seconds to tap undo. Once that button disappears, the email goes out, and there's no magic button that can bring it back. Now, we're going to increase that window to a full 30 seconds, and I'll show you how to benefit from it, even when sending emails through the Gmail app on Android. At the end, we'll also enable a second layer of protection that stops you before the email is sent. The option to change this time isn't available inside the Android app, so you only need to set it once through Gmail's desktop version. Keep watching, and I'll show you how to do it from your phone. You only need to do this once. Open a browser, such as Chrome. Go to Gmail and make sure you're signed in to the same Gmail account you use on your phone. Tap the 3 dots at the top of the page. Check the option called Desktop Site. At the top, tap the gear icon or Settings. Then select See All Settings. Under the General section, find the Undo Send option and tap it. The time is probably set to 5 seconds. Change it to 30 seconds. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and tap Save Changes. This step is important because the new time won't be saved without it. Now open the Gmail app on your Android phone using the same account. Create a test email. And send it to yourself. As soon as you tap Send, a message that says Sent will appear at the bottom, with an undo button beside it. If you realize that you selected the wrong person, forgot the attachment, or included information that shouldn't have been sent, tap Undo immediately. The email will return as a draft, allowing you to edit or delete it. Here's a very important warning. If you have more than one Gmail account, you need to adjust this setting separately for each account. For additional protection on Android, open the Gmail app. Tap the 3 lines. Then tap Settings. Select General Settings. Scroll down to Action Confirmations. Enable Confirm before sending. From now on, whenever you tap Send, the app will first ask whether you're sure you want to send the email. You now have 2 layers of protection: confirmation before sending, and 30 seconds to cancel the email after tapping Send. Finally, if this information was new to you, comment New. If you already knew it, comment I knew this. If this information could save you from making a mistake before it happens, then this video deserves a like and a share with someone who uses Gmail. Subscribe, because in every video, we'll fix one small setting before it becomes a much bigger problem. And remember, the undo button disappears after a few seconds. But whatever you send to the wrong person could stay with them forever.